So let's study about how the alcohol affects our cleaning. When larger quantity of ethanol are consumed, means ethanol you are taking more amount of ethanol, it tends to low metabolic process, means digestion is improper in digestion and depression to the central nervous system. If the depression will comes to the center CNS, means nerves will become drowsiness. The result of lack of coordination of mental confusion, it results to there is no coordination in mental confusion, drowsiness, giddiness, lowering the normal inhibition, and finally he became this one stupor. Stupor means what we will call he will fell down. He is not in the condition to give the answers. He is depressed, drowsy, that completely he felt drowsiness will be more, and the individual may feel relaxed but does not realize the sense, and he cannot judge anything, and sense of timing, he don't have time sense, what is the time, where I am, everything, he will muscle coordination have been seriously impaired, the muscle coordination also impaired, he can't do the proper work. And unlike ethanol, intake of methanol is very small quantity can cause death. In place of ethanol, if you take methanol, it leads to death. It leads to death. Methanol is oxidized to metabolism in liver. This methanol reacts rapidly with the component of cells. It causes the protoplasm to get coagulate in much of the same way an egg is coagulated by cooking. The coagulation of the coagulation takes place in the plasma. This also affects the optic nerves. Optic nerves means eye nerves. This causing blindness, completely impairment of the eyes. You cannot see if you consume in place of ethanol. Methanol is very dangerous. It is important industrial solvent. Ethanol is a industrial solvent. It prevents misuse of ethanol produces industrial uses. It is made unfit for drinking. Adding poisonous substance like methanol to it, they will use for the preparation of dyes, means color, preparation of the color. The alcohol blue is the that it can be identified easily. It is This is called denatured alcohol. By adding poisonous substance like methanol to it, it is used for the preparation of dyes, and it can be identified easily, called denatured. Alcohol is also used as a fuel. Sugarcane plants are one of the most efficient converter of sunlight into chemical energy. Uh, Alcohol is commonly prepared from the sugarcane plant. Sunlight into chemical energy. Sugarcane juice can be used for the preparation. Alcohol as a fuel. Sugarcane plants. Alcohol as a fuel. Sugarcane plants are the one of the most efficient converter of sunlight into chemical energy. The sugarcane juice can be used to prepare molasses. After removing the sugar from the sugarcane, sugar crystals, byproduct is the molasses, which is fermented to give the alcohol. This molasses is used for the production of ethanol. Some countries now they will use alcohol as an additive in petrol, since it is a cleaner fuel which give rise to only carbon dioxide. It cleans the fuel and it gives only carbon dioxide, no oxides of sulfur and nitrogen it does not gives, means combustion of petrol it gives sulfur dioxide and nitric oxide, but while adding ethanol into the petrol, while mixing with this, it gives only carbon dioxide. There it does not give toxic substance like sulfur dioxide and nitro nitric oxide. Okay, and water burning in sufficient air, means oxygen.